If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Gbop Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Gbop Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered.
Hello, you are welcome back once again. The name still remains Gbop Tech TV. Today we are going to learn a different way of making money online. And this making of money online is not by anything but with Binance. Now, we used to save in the bank, and everyone who knows about cryptocurrency knows Binance is one of the safest places that you can trade your cryptocurrency, and when your money is there, it's safe. So today we are going to save in Binance and earn a huge commission. For us not to waste time, let's jump into this video. And if you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification. Anytime a video is uploaded, you'll be notified. And if you know you are an old member, I'll appreciate you put your comment in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up and share this video. To continue, when you open your Binance app, this is how the dashboard will look like. Now, what you need to do is to hit on the more option, which I'm going to show you. This option. So you tap on it. Now a different page will open. You scroll down. You see earn, and the earning requirements are here. We have the auto invest, is it liquidity, farming, and savings, and we have staking. Now tap on this staking. Now with this staking, we have one of this cryptocurrency called Sand. When you save for 10 days, you earn 24.5 commission. 24.5% as a commission. So that is when you deposit like any amount and you want to save it as Sand. In our next video, I'll teach you how to convert your other cryptocurrency into this Sand. So if I were having Sand, they will tell me to check. So when I tap on this check, it will direct me to where I'm going to save it. So your commission that I'm going to earn should have come. So if you know this video is helpful to you, give us a thumbs up and share this video and put your comment in the comment section. And if you know you are new watching this video again, as I said, I will plead on you on your behalf to subscribe to this channel, please, and let us grow this channel together. Thank you for your support, and God will still bless you.